Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to fix the telegram code SMS problem. If you are not receiving the login verification code on your phone, don't worry, I be got you covered. Okay, let's get started. See, this is the problem. Check your email telegram verification code, how to fix it. Okay, first open your Google Play Store app and now search here telegram app and update your telegram app. Okay, my telegram app already updated. Okay, second step, go to your phone settings and now click on the apps icon and now search here telegram app. Click on the telegram app and scroll down. Now click on the storage option and clear check and clear data and delete the all data. Okay, back. Second step, third step, now click on the permission option and allow all permission. Okay, back. And last step, go to your telegram app and see, this is the check your email and now click on the Gmail option. See, this is the telegram code. See, this is the telegram code. Okay, I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.